This tutorial is going to cover some of the basic features of Google Presentation. For this tutorial, we're going to assume that you have a Google account and you are already signed in. To access Google Documents, we click More and then Documents. This will bring up the Documents page and show you all the documents you have created or uploaded. To create a new document, we'll move to the left and hit Create New, and then select Presentation. This will open up a new window with your unedited presentation. The first thing we have to do is name the presentation. For this tutorial, we will call it New Presentation. The next thing we want to do is choose a theme for the presentation. To do that, we go to Format, Presentation Settings, then Change Theme. Here you'll see some themes that Google has prepared for you. My choice is usually Shelly because it's clean, simple, and uncluttered. If you need to change the font beyond what this theme has given you, you can do that with the toolbars here. Next, we'll want to add a new slide to the presentation. To do that, we'll click the plus sign here, and that'll give us slide layout options. I like to use the two-column slide for showing both text and video or images. You can see the second slide is added here. To add the title, we can click here. To add content, we can click here. To add bullets to the text, we can use this button here. If we want to indent these bullets, we can use the right arrow or the left arrow to go back. The same applies for the numbers here. To add images to your slide, we can click on the picture icon here, or we can go to Insert and choose Image. This will give you the option to add an image from your computer or enter in the URL, if you know it, of an image. The easiest way to add images to Google Presentation, though, is to drag and drop an image from an already open window. You can see here that I've done a search for George Washington and have his image pulled up here. If we simply click and drag into the presentation, the image should import and then give us the option to be resized. You can do that like so. To add video to the presentation, we again go to Insert and then choose Video. This will open up a search box for us where we have access to all YouTube videos. We can do a search and then even preview the video. Once I found the one that I like, I hit Select Video. This will move the video right into your presentation where it can be dragged around and resized if needed. One of the best features of Google Docs is the ability to share your documents and collaborate on them in real time with partners. To share, just click on the Share button in the upper right. This will open the sharing settings where you can add other people with Google accounts to view and edit your presentation. Simply enter in the email address and then change their permission to either view or edit. You can see here that this will also send an email notification to the person you are sharing with. To share, we hit Share. To change the visibility of your document, we click here. This gives us the option to make it public on the web, share it with anyone with the link, or the default, which is to keep it private. If we select anyone with the link or public and hit Save, we'll see the URL to the document here. Two final notes about working with Google Presentation. The first is saving your work. As you can see here, this presentation is currently saved. Google Documents will periodically save your work about every 5 minutes or when you make significant changes. Once it's saved, it will be viewable here in your document folder. To start your presentation, we can click here. This will open up a new window, and you can click through your presentation using the buttons on the lower left.
Welcome to Google Drawing. It is an application that is comparable to the Paint program that is a standard accessory in the Microsoft Windows operating system and also to the drawing feature in Microsoft Word. It is a feature in the online sharing and collaborating program Google Docs. To access Google Drawing, simply go to docs.google.com in your web browser and log in or sign up for an account. In the left sidebar, click on Create New and then click on Drawing. A blank sheet of drawing paper will appear in a new window, which will allow you to use many features to make your own picture. These features include lines, curves, shapes, text, size, and color. Users have the option of undoing and redoing edits, copying and pasting, inserting a picture from file, and zooming in and out and to fit. In the menu bar, there is a standard File, Edit, View, Format, and Help tabs that perform similar functions that Microsoft Word does as well. Be sure to save your drawing by entering in a file name in the text box in the upper left corner of the screen. Just as in any Google document, you can share your drawing with others and also allow others to edit or contribute to it. What is nice about using the drawing feature through Google Docs is that you can upload your drawing directly into a Google document, presentation, spreadsheet, or website. And that is an overview of the Google Document suite of tools. For further information or help, please check out docs.google.com/support.